So for this log is the continuation for our game called the ping pong game or Pong game. So for the project file, inside the src folder, we add a header file and the C file for the ball, or the ball.c and the ball.h header file. So for the CMake configuration, we add our ball.c inside the executable or add underscore executable. So in line 16 up to 23. So we add our src slash ball.c. For the ball.h file or ball header file, we have our include guard and include directives, and also we have our paddle header file. So we have created the ball struct and the function prototype. Now for the ball.c file, we're going to include our ball.header file or .h and also the stdlib.h. So we're going to initialize our ball using the ball underscore init function. So here in line 14 up to 17, we will going to update our ball, so using the ball underscore update function. Then we're going to check the collision, and that will happen in line 19 up to 45. So here we have a ball underscore check collision function. So this function will check if the ball and the paddle left and the paddle right collide to each other. And also we're going to bounce the top and the bottom screen that we have, and also we're going to reset if the out of bounds. Now we're going to have a ball underscore render function. So this function will handle the rendering of our ball. So our ball is just only a rectangle. Inside our game.h or game header file, we're going to include the ball header file here, and also we're going to add the ball inside the struct. So here we'll also have our function prototype. So inside the game.c file, we're going to add we're going to initialize the ball underscore init in line 46 inside the game.c file. And also we're going to update our game underscore update function. So here we will going to update our ball, and also we're going to check the collision of the ball. Now we're going to have our game underscore render function, and also we're going to add the ball render here in line 91. So we're going to render out our ball. Now we're going to have our game underscore run function in line 96 up to 109, and then inside the while loop or the main loop for our game, we're going to add the game underscore update function. And lastly, we're going to have our game underscore cleanup for cleaning up our resources. Now we're going to run or build our game using the CMake configuration that we made, and then we're going to execute the executable file stored in bin folder. Now you can play the game using the WS key and up and down arrow keys. So that's it for this log. So thank you for watching.